Hey, this is Scott, and today I just want to quickly introduce something that's been very useful for my workflow lately, the PKT SSD to go from Angelbird. So I'm not going to go too in-depth into the specs of this drive in this video because I do want this to be quick and easy to watch, but I will put them up on screen now, so if you want to read through those, feel free to pause the video and do so. So basically, I think this is pretty much perfect, to be honest with you. Obviously, it could be cheaper, but I think it's very fairly priced compared to the others in the market and all of the different things that it offers. It's extremely portable, as you can see. It's very tiny, very well made. It's solid, it's reliable, it's fast. It's going to be really perfect for those of you who want to edit video or photos or really just any kind of data that you want fast and reliable access to on the go, so you can get it off of your computer's hard drive and free up some space. This has been my working drive recently for editing video, and I've had no problems editing 4K 10-bit files from the GH5 straight off of here. It works just as fast and smoothly as when editing video straight off my computer. Granted, I don't have the most spec'd out computer compared to a lot of you who may be editing video, of course, but it works just fine. I've had no problems. And as far as I can tell, all of these specs that are stated by Angelbird are completely accurate, and you have no reason to worry if those seem satisfactory to you. Of course, I did throw up some specs on screen already with the numbers of what you can expect for data rates with this. But for those of you who want to know more in terms of practicality, what that means, what those numbers mean, I've been working with a 2015 MacBook Pro. Again, it's not really incredibly spec'd out or anything. It has just the USB 3.0 connection. But for me, I was able to transfer a 20 or 25 gigabyte file from my computer to the drive in well under 1 minute. So there are a few reasons why I think I would recommend this over some of the other choices on the market. Obviously, this is nice and stylish. It comes in some different colors. It's very well made. It's made of metal, so it does inspire confidence when you're throwing it into your bag or your pocket. Again, it has that really nice size that it is very easy to do that. So portability and reliability wise and stylish wise, this wins a lot of points. In terms of actual speed, you may or may not notice an actual difference in reality when you compare it to some of the other models, but this does have the option for USB 3.1, which means if you have that connection on your computer, you can get faster speeds out of this than some of the other models which don't have that connection available, like the SanDisk Extreme 500, which I've been using until recently. So if you do have that connection, that's a big plus for this one. While talking about connection, this SanDisk Extreme 500, which I've been using for a while, does have this very kind of exposed connection here, which doesn't totally inspire confidence. I have heard stories about people having this come loose or totally come out, which would completely render this useless, which is really bad. So I've always been a little bit worried about this connection. I've been using it, and again, performance-wise, it works all right, but this connection has always really worried me. This PKT drive, on the other hand, has this kind of recessed connection here, and this has a really snug fit, so you just kind of push it in there, and the actual plug is just the right size to fit in here, so you can feel it when it gets all the way in there, and it's really secure. You do not have to worry about losing this connection or it breaking out or anything like that. This connection, it's a small detail, but this is huge for me. I really love the security that this brings with it. So again, there are a lot of similarities between the different versions of these kind of portable SSDs on the market, but this is just, you can't go wrong. There's nothing that I would want to improve about this, where other models may have, 1 point here, 1 point there that I wish were a little bit different. This has been absolutely perfect for me, both in design, in build quality, and in performance. I would highly recommend it. If you need to get your data off of your hard drive and still bring it with you to work on the go, you cannot go wrong with this. I would absolutely 150% recommend this to anybody who is looking for some kind of solution like that. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below and I will definitely get back to you. Also, be sure to check the links in the description if you want to see more. If you like this video or found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see more in the future, and as always, thank you for watching.